Hello inflatable fans, how you doing? I hope you're all well. This is the OutdoorMaster Bonito pump, and this morning it was all working fine until I had a bit of a disaster this morning when I was inflating the Packraft. The OutdoorMaster Bonito pump fell off, landed in the grit, and something got sucked into there, and then it's just stopped, and it's stopped altogether now, which is a bit of a shame. It's one of my favourite little pumps, this. No power to it at all, it's just completely dead. Bugger. Oh man, this is hilarious. Are you ready? Right, what happened was, I said to John, I said, oh well, it's no good, I'm just going to throw it. I'm going to throw it in the bin, because there's a bin over there. Anyway, I just thought, right, I'm just going to chuck it on the floor. I chucked it on the floor, and I thought, well, I can repurpose those batteries. And John said, well, will it start again? And so whatever was in it that's jammed it has popped out. So all I need to now do, I've got some Gorilla Glue with me, is glue that onto there, because that locks into place there. Glue that back on there, and we're good. Champion! So this is another one of those videos that I have a tendency to do, kind of like literally in the field, because we are out on a camping trip at the moment. So I need to make sure I don't get any fan on this prop here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on there. I'm not going to overdo it. Just a couple of little runs. I don't know whether the camera's catching this. I'm just going to put it on in 3 spots, I think. Just a couple of little bits. Then I've got to find that, because I've got to find that sweet spot where it locks in. Come on, click into place. Can't find it now. There it is. That's it. It's in. That's in. Let me just spin this. Right, okay, so that's in. I'm going to put a little bit of glue just on this. Oh, that's actually just a rubber gasket. I don't need to glue that. That's just the seal that connects with that. So now I just need to run some glue around this edge, because it was obviously glued at some point. There are some black marks where the black plastic has kind of come off. Again, I'm not going to overdo it. Hopefully this pump will live again. I don't know whether you've ever used this Gorilla Clear glue, but it does kind of rock. Recently fixed a plate with it. A little bit of that around there. Right, okay, I think I've got enough on that. And then I kind of need to put a little bit of weight on that. I'm just going to leave it on my dashboard because I don't want to knock it over in the middle of the night. So I'm going to leave it on my dashboard with something on top of that just to hold that down. Not sure what I'm going to use for weight yet. In my true idiotic style, didn't even realise I could just leave it upside down and let the weight of the battery and everything just hold that in place. So I'll leave that till the morning, and yeah, then we'll see what it's like. I'm pleased to report the OutdoorMaster lives to inflate another day. That's nicely stuck on now. Cracking. Hope you've enjoyed this. That was just a fun little thing for me to do, fun little project. Could I fix it? Yes, I could. Cheerio.